Hello friends, how are you doing? Let's draw a nice drawing of a village life of a woman. First, we start the drawing from the top and draw some lines. You can see here. All right. Okay. In this drawing, you can see that a boy is walking with his mom, and his mom is carrying a water jar, which is a traditional water jar. That used to carry and as a reservoir for the water storage in the villages. Okay. You can see it. And the boy who is holding the hands, you can see the hands, and the back side. He is wearing a shirt, walking by the side of his mom. Alright, so there both of them are walking to the other side. You can see from the drawing. And the water jar, we can do a few details on it. All right, it's a nice sketch of the village. You can see here. All right, now let's put some green color along the shades. So the variations in the wrinkles of the clothes, that's clearly visible here when you put the shades and making the color combination of the dresses. You can see easily. We need to have the efficiency in putting shades while you draw the color. It's a different kind of efficiency you need to have. The clothes and the dress she is wearing It's covering the whole body, and this traditional dress they wear from dawn to dusk the whole time. They're wearing it for a long time. Actually, this is a single piece of clothes. They would like to wear it, and there's a special style. They need to learn how to cover up the whole body with this single piece of clothes. All right. So this is all nice and shine. Now let's do the color for the body. We can see the legs are visible here. Let's make it yellow. And the leg we can see here also. Let's make it yellow. The hands, let's make it yellow too. This is visible. And the legs here you can see. The boy wearing a dress, and we're going to put some color. So different color for the shirt. It's like a purple color and pink color for the pant. All right. For the hair on top, you can see that the dark shades. This is a good combination. Okay, let's put the red color for this water jar. Usually, most of the time, this jar is made with mud. Actually, the burned mud, the famous clay pots used for household items. All right. Okay, and for the road, we can put some depth in colors, but in this case we are going to put some light colors and the long strokes for the drawing of the roads. All right, the next thing we can do is put some shadow on the ground. And a little shadow of the boy on the ground. This is the beauty of the drawing. Okay, if you can follow the shadow, you can see the message. It's a clear bonding of a mom with the children. So yeah, this is a very nice drawing. I hope you like it. You can follow the playlist in my channel, and when you subscribe my channel, you can see the playlist and other things, and you can choose your category, which category you would like to learn. All the drawings are there, and I am putting up so many drawings, and more videos I'm adding to my album. Stay with Blue Hand Drawing. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.